In this video, I would like to discuss eligibility for spouse visas. In other words, who is eligible to apply for a spouse visa? Before I dive into that topic, I'd like to quickly introduce myself. I'm attorney Megan Pastrana from the immigration firm for couples, and our firm is dedicated exclusively to assisting couples in navigating the U.S. immigration process. We represent couples all over the nation and all over the world. So let's dive in. Who is eligible to apply for a spouse visa? So first and foremost, it's a spouse visa. So you have to be married, and you have to be married to a United States citizen or a lawful permanent resident in order to have someone to petition for you. The U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident spouse is who would petition for you. You also have to have a bona fide marriage, which essentially means that you have to show immigration that you have married this individual for reasons of love and not just to receive an immigration benefit. Additionally, you have to be admissible to the United States. And that's just a fancy way of saying that you can't have one of the many problems on the long list of issues that an individual can have in immigration. There's the Immigration and Nationality Act, and they have, as I mentioned, a very long list of problems that an individual can have. And so you can't have any of those issues. You have to be admissible. And lastly, it's not so much a requirement as much as it's a norm. Typically, this immigrant spouse would be living outside of the United States. They would be in another country. Typically, that is who would be applying for a spouse visa. There are some limited circumstances in which an individual might actually be currently living in the United States on a student visa, or they might be here visiting on a tourist visa, but in general, the spouse would be living abroad. And so the spouse visa is also called an IR1, a CR1, or also they say that the process is called consular processing. So I just wanted to throw all of those terms out there because I know couples use them interchangeably, and that is the process to which I'm referring. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you have interest in learning more about eligibility and the process, please check out our free checklist from our website and our free resource center, where we go into even more detail regarding the spouse visa and other options that are available to couples. Thanks so much for watching.